Hey everyone, Shah here. So I want to talk about candlestick patterns. If you are someone who is looking at charts and you are not so much familiar with the candles, generally the candles that you see, they are called Japanese candles, and there is a book on it. I want to share that book with you. If you read that book, it will clarify a lot of candles for you, and you will be able to look at candles and you would be able to understand their story. First, I want to show you a candle and then I'll talk about the book. So for example, this candle is called Doji Dragonfly. If you go at a weekly and you look at the Bitcoin chart, it was something like this. So if it appears in a downward trend, what happens is that it is an indication of a reversal. It means that it's going to reverse from there. And that is exactly what happened with Bitcoin at that time. So towards end of last year, it did appear on the chart. You can go and check the charts, and that was an indication that Bitcoin is going to reverse. The bottom for Bitcoin is in, and if you were familiar with it, you would have identified. So I want to share a book with you. It's called the Candlestick Trading Bible. It looks like this. It's a fantastic book. It explains the overall history and everything you need to know about candlesticks. I'll give you the link to it. If you don't have a link, send me a DM. I'll give you the link to it, and it's something that I share as first starting point in my mentorship program as well. It's free book. You can find it on Google as well. It's very easy to search for it. You can find the name. Okay, and as you can see, history of candles. What is a candlestick? Candlestick patterns. Then it explains these important candles. What is an engulfing bar, doji, dragonfly, gravestone, morning star, evening star, the hammer, the shooting star, the harami, and the tweezer tops and bottoms. This is one of the most fantastic books I have ever seen because it's detailed with practice. Okay, so not only it teaches you, okay, what it does is that it tells you how to practice it. So it explains everything. Real body, okay, it shows you the body, what is the upper shadow, what is the lower shadow, what everything in a candle means. It's one of the best books I have seen. It's, of course, there are other books that are there, but they are a bit complicated. I love this book just because of the fact it is extremely simple to understand, very easy to read, and a very fun read. If you start reading it in one go, you can actually finish it. It's not that hard, and they have explained everything over there. So this is a book that I recommend to you, that go and read it. If you cannot find it, you can always send me a DM and I'll give you the link to it. It's one of my favorite books. This is something that I used when I was learning Forex. This was way back, and then of course it helped me in the stock market, and it helps a bit in the crypto market as well. Of course, this is not the only make and break in crypto, but this is something that you can rely on when the age of the candle is big. Like if it's a weekly candle or a monthly candle, and you see a dragonfly there, a doji or something, that is pretty much reliable. You can rely on it. But of course, if you are seeing this on 30 minutes or 1 hour, 2 hours, that is not enough. Of course, you always need more indicators and more information before making a decision, but these can be one of the signals for you if you are looking for a particular pattern. For example, you are thinking of whether a reversal is starting or not, a trend reversal, then you are looking for other indications, and if you get on top of it one more indication from candles as well, that yes, you are thinking right, then that's like cherry on the icing. Anyway, I hope you find it useful, and do read this book, and please leave a comment and let me know after reading the book, did you find it useful or not, or what was good or bad about it. Thank you.